Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, March 30, 2023 on our channel. CAREL's new control solution eyes for scientific applications. ECOOLTEC patron Peter Großkopf stands down. Panasonic launches its PACi Elite Series 4 air conditioners. RAC technicians in Kenya embrace green cooling. Smart fridge market, forecast from 2022 to 2027. GreenChill webinar, Subsection H, under the American Innovation and Manufacturing (AIM) Act. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. CAREL's new control solution eyes for scientific applications. eyes is the new range of CAREL electronic control devices for scientific applications, developed to meet the challenges of the cold chain for the management and storage of medicines. The scientific medical market is in continual expansion, and refrigeration applications require systems that can ensure the correct temperature conditions throughout the useful life of medicines. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. ECOOLTEC patron Peter Großkopf stands down. Following the work undertaken by ECOOLTEC Großkopf GmbH in the development of pioneering and sustainable transport refrigeration systems based on natural refrigerants being put into production, Peter Großkopf has fittingly decided to conclude his long and exceptional career in transport refrigeration by ending his active involvement with ECOOLTEC. The internationally renowned refrigeration technology expert founded ECOOLTEC based on his passion for the design and development of energy-efficient and environmentally benign refrigeration. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Panasonic launches its PACi Elite Series 4 air conditioners. Panasonic Heating and Amp Cooling Solutions introduces its stylish new PACi NX Elite Series 4, available in capacities 7.1 to 14 kilowatts. This latest series provides an ideal solution for commercial heating and cooling with a focus on decarbonization, whilst also maintaining highly efficient air conditioning performance. The new generation of PACi NX has a freshly designed, compact chassis with just one fan, and achieves the same impressive seasonal performance as a two-fan model by optimizing 3 layers of heat exchangers in one small casing. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. RAC technicians in Kenya embrace green cooling. Refrigeration and air conditioning, RAC technicians in Kenya trained on best practices in green cooling techniques. The techniques taught include modules and joining technologies, that is brazing. The training beneficiaries were several technicians from Mombasa, Eldoret, and Nairobi. Good humor, a lot of laughs, pure concentration and dedication. All this was to be found at the RAC technicians training. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Smart fridge market, forecast from 2022 to 2027. The smart fridge market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 9.94% over the forecast period, to grow to $0.237 billion in 2027 from $0.667 billion in 2020. A smart fridge or smart refrigerator is programmed for sensing the products which are stored inside, and also helps to keep a track of the stock via vid scanning. The refrigerator also helps the user in knowing about the food items which require replenishment. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. GreenChill webinar, Subsection H, under the American Innovation and Manufacturing (AIM) Act. Join GreenChill for a webinar on April 12, 2023 from 4 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Presenters from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, will provide an overview of Subsection H. Subsection H authorizes EPA to establish regulations to control, where appropriate, practices, processes, or activities regarding the servicing, repair, disposal, or installation of equipment, for purposes of maximizing the reclamation and minimizing the release of certain hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, from equipment, and ensuring the safety of technicians and consumers. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.